Hi everyone, it's Brett here from Metropole. Well, wouldn't you like to be able to pick the turning of the market, particularly if things are going to rise again? Well, today I'm going to talk about 5 reasons I feel that we are in a turning point for our market. It has been an incredible year for everything, not property just alone. There's a number of things that have been up and down and round and round, but look, I'm going to give you 5 reasons I believe the market is going to rebound strongly into 2021. The first sign I feel is the amount of home buyers in the market. First home buyers are back to their strongest numbers in decades. They're being led by low interest rates and also government incentives bringing them into the market. And that's key because it's really having a ripple effect, and upgraders are starting to catch on and sell their homes as well. And we're seeing a record number of refinancing loans and home loans, especially in the last couple of months. So that's all going well for our property market in the next couple of months. The next thing we're talking about is consumer confidence. That's actually the highest level since about November 2013. So massive dip obviously in consumer confidence over the lockdowns with coronavirus and people uncertain with what's happening, but that's certainly bounced back and at a really strong level now. Number 3 is we're starting to get some good positive growth. For the first time in a long time, according to RP data, our bigger capital cities have all had growth over the last month. And that's been coming off the back of lockdowns and negative growth in that territory for a long time. So that's positive momentum. That's a good sign the market may be turning if we can continue that momentum. Number 4, credit is starting to loosen. And right now, the investors are struggling to make up about 25% of the market. They're waiting for the right time. They're trying to time things. Credit is loosening. APRA's loosened some restrictions, and the government is actually going to ease back on a few things, probably coming out around March or April, and that's going to lead to a potential increase in borrowing capacity between 10 and 20%. And I think that's what will bring investors back into the market to obviously join the homeowners. And finally, well, there was the mortgage cliff and all those kinds of factors, and job seeker ending in September, and now it's off to March and things like that. But home loan deferrals and repayments of loans at one stage was like 11% of homes, or 11% of loans rather. That's now come down to about 3%, and it's starting to approach 2%. So we're over the mortgage cliff. That's not going to happen. The worst is over. It's going to be a really strong year in 2021. There's 5 key points there. Homeowners are back. Consumer confidence is up. We're getting some positive growth in our market, and the credit's going to loosen. That's going to get investors back into the market. And finally, the loan deferrals and the mortgage cliff. The bad news is past us, and we're all looking good for 2021. So now is a great time to be looking to buy a home or invest in property. And if you're looking for advice or you're looking for assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for your time.